Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. To any of you having a Honda CRV, we're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the rear view camera is located. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem, because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys, but even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the rear view camera fuse, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV guys. Right here you have two different fuse boxes. Luckily enough we'll be working just one of them. That's under the hood. If you look right here under the hood, that's the fuse box cover that you have. Open that cover here guys, and once you open the cover you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. This will be the front of the CRV. This is towards the windshield side. Before we guys continue now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Which fuse we need to check for the rear view camera? That fuse actually is for multiple things guys, very important fuse. It's in that row of fuses right here, and we're talking about 10 fuse. Little fuse but very powerful, and one of the functions is for the rear view camera. If your rear view camera does not work, check guys fuse number 29. We're talking about that 10 fuse right here, fuse number 29. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.